Creating a Trello account, a quick start. First, go to Trello.com. You'll find the sign up options there. You'll see options to sign up using your email address or through single sign on with Google or Microsoft. If using email, enter your email address, create a secure password, and verify your account through the confirmation email Trello sends you. For Google or Microsoft single sign on, simply authenticate through their respective platforms. No credit card is needed for the free tier, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Here you can create your first board by clicking Create New Board. Give your board a descriptive name related to your project or task. You can choose a background color or image to personalize it. Boards are the foundation of Trello, organizing your work into visual columns and cards. Trello operates on a card-based Kanban system, which is a visual method for managing work as it moves through different stages. Boards are the overall project space in Trello. They serve as containers for organizing your entire workflow or project. Within a board, you create lists, which are columns that represent different stages of your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Cards are individual tasks or items that you create within each list. These cards move across the lists as work progresses, providing a clear visual representation of your project's status. Clicking on a card opens its detailed view, where you can customize and manage task information. Here you can add descriptions to provide context and details about the task. Add due dates to set deadlines and ensure timely completion. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority or type, making organization clearer. Create checklists to break down tasks into manageable steps. Attach files up to 10 megabytes per file on the free plan to include relevant documents. Add comments to discuss updates or ask questions with the team. Assign cards to team members for clear accountability. The activity feed tracks all changes and updates for full transparency. This level of detail helps manage tasks effectively and keeps everyone on track. For group projects, create a team by selecting Create Team from your dashboard. This sets up a shared workspace for your collaborators. Once your team is created, invite members by entering their email addresses. This allows them to join your shared workspace immediately. Teams create a shared workspace where all members can access and collaborate on boards. This makes group work much more organized and efficient. You can control member permissions with roles like admin for full control, member for standard access, and observer for view-only rights. This helps manage responsibilities and security. Teams enable shared templates for quick project setup and handle billing on paid plans. Premium plans can accommodate up to 1,000 members for large-scale collaboration. Trello provides a vast library of pre-built templates designed for different project types. These templates offer ready-made structures that you can use to quickly set up boards for tasks like project management, event planning, and software development. To get started, navigate to the Templates tab in your Trello dashboard. This tab contains over 1,000 pre-designed board layouts that you can browse and use. For instance, a Kanban template includes columns like backlog, design, to-do, doing, code review, and testing. This structure helps organize tasks in a visual workflow. An event planning template might have columns for notes, to-do, doing, and done, making it easy to track progress on tasks like reserving venues and managing budgets. Once you find a suitable template, you can duplicate it to create your own copy. Then edit the board by adding or modifying lists, cards, and details to fit your specific needs. After customization, your board might look like this, with organized columns and tasks ready for your team to work on. Using templates eliminates the need to build boards from scratch, saving valuable time. As of 2025, Trello also offers AI-generated templates tailored to your descriptions, making setup even faster. Power-ups are integrations that extend Trello's capabilities beyond basic task management. To access power-ups, simply click the Power-ups button on any board menu. Popular power-up options include calendars for better scheduling, voting systems for team decisions, and integrations with communication tools like Slack. You can also connect with file storage like Google Drive and development tools like Jira for comprehensive project tracking. While free accounts have limits on the number of power-ups you can enable, they significantly enhance your workflow by connecting Trello with other tools you already use. Trello is increasingly integrating AI to boost productivity and streamline workflows. Recent updates include AI-powered smart summaries, which automatically generate concise overviews of your boards, helping you quickly understand project status without manual review. Butler, Trello's automation tool, has been enhanced with AI to create custom rules and automations, such as automatically assigning tasks or sending notifications, all without requiring coding skills. Looking ahead, Trello plans deeper AI integration, including predictive analytics to estimate project delays and better integration with Atlassian Intelligence for smarter insights across tools. To maximize your project management efficiency, stay updated with Trello's evolving AI features and regularly check for new integrations.